Today I am going to start chapter 5. The fundamental unit of life of class 9th. In this video we will discuss about the cell, types of organism and the structure of cell. First of all I want to tell you about cell. Cell is a structural and functional unit of organism, means our body made by the cells and all the activities, metabolic activities performed by the cell. सो सेल हमारी बॉडी की बेसिक यूनिट होती है और ये एक फंडामेंटल यूनिट होती है बिकॉज हमारी बॉडी कंप्लीट सेल से फॉर्म होती है और जो भी बॉडी के फंक्शंस होते हैं वो सेल ही परफॉर्म करता है. सेल थ्योरी. व्हाट इज सेल थ्योरी? Cell theory has given by two scientists, Schleiden and Swan, and they told us that the all organisms made by the cells, and cell is a structural and functional unit of the organisms. Then Rudolf Virchow, scientist, again modernized the cell theory, and the modern cell theory has given that the new cells formed by the pre-existing cells. सेल थ्योरी बताता है कि जो भी ऑर्गेनिज्म है वो सेल से फॉर्म होता है और सेल उनकी स्ट्रक्चरल और फंक्शनल यूनिट होता है और न्यू सेल्स जो भी फॉर्म होती है वो प्री एग्जिस्टिंग मीन्स ओल्ड सेल से फॉर्म होती है. एंड हेरिडिटी कैरेक्टर्स सेल में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, unicellular and multicellular, on the basis of number of cells. Unicellular means the organism which is having only one or single cell, that is known as the unicellular organisms, like amoeba, paramecium, euglena. These are the example of unicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms means the organism which is made by two or more than two cells, that is known as multicellular organism, means their body is containing many cells. Examples of multicellular organisms are human, mosquito, tiger, plants. These are the multicellular organisms. Shape of cell. There are many different type of shapes of the cells, that may be polygonal, that may be spherical, that may be oval, that may be cuboidal, that may be spindle or plate shape. These are the different shape of the cells. Cell structure divided into two parts, protoplasm and plasma membrane. Protoplasm is also divided into two parts, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm again divided into two parts, hyaloplasm and cytoplasmic structure. And cytoplasmic structure divided into two parts, cell organelles and cell inclusions. Cell organelles, we are having different organelles like mitochondria, ribosome, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum and centrioles. These are the cell organelles. In cell inclusions we are including vacuoles, reserve food and gases. These are the cell inclusions. Now we will discuss about the structure of cell. You can see in this diagram, this is an animal cell, and the cell is divided into two parts. First part is the outermost layer of the cell, that is known as the cell membrane, and the second part is the protoplasm. Protoplasm also divided into two parts. One is the cytoplasm and another one is the nucleus. Now I will elaborate this structure. Students, you can see in this diagram that the outermost layer, this outermost layer is known as the cell membrane. ये outermost layer है जो सेल को कवर करता है, सेल को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. Second is the protoplasm, which is made by the cytoplasm and nucleus. So this is the innermost part is known as the protoplasm, which is containing cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, a liquid, a matrix present inside the cell, that is known as the cytoplasm, which is containing many organelles. ये साइटोप्लाज्म अंदर का पूरा पार्ट साइटोप्लाज्म है जिसमें बहुत सारे सेल ऑर्गेनल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. There are so many organelles like mitochondria. First of all, mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Why we are saying this one powerhouse of the cell? Because it is store the energy in the form of ATP that is used for our daily activities. So this is known as the पावर हाउस. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को सेल का पावर हाउस बोलते हैं. ये सेल की पूरी बॉडी की पूरी एनर्जी को स्टोर करके रखता है. सेकेंड इज नोन एज दी न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस इज द कंट्रोलर ऑफ दी सेल. न्यूक्लियस सेल के जितने भी फंक्शंस होते हैं उनको कंट्रोल करता है. सो इट इज नोन एज द ब्रेन ऑफ द सेल एंड कंट्रोलर ऑफ द सेल. Third is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, which is a net-like structure connected with the nucleus, and this endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, RER and SER. RER means the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and SER is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum help in the protein formation. जो rough endoplasmic RER है वो प्रोटीन का फॉर्मेशन करता है और जो SER है वो लिपिड्स का फॉर्मेशन करता है. The next one is the lysosomes. Lysosomes also known as the suicidal bags of the cell. Why we are saying suicidal bags of the cell? Because when the cell damaged or died, that time there are some digestive juices. लाइसोसोम के अंदर डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस होते हैं, वो सीक्रेट होते हैं और सेल को डाइजेस्ट कर लेते हैं, अपनी ही सेल को डाइजेस्ट कर लेते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज दी suicidal bags of the cell. Golgi complex, that is help in the secretion of the compounds from one part to the another part of the cell. जो भी secretions हैं, जो भी compound substances form होते हैं, उनको one place से another place के ले जाने में help करते हैं Golgi complex. Next is the vacuoles. Vacuoles, these are the large sized cavity containing sap and separated from the cytoplasm. It is covering by a single layer that is known as the tonoplast and a liquid matrix filled inside that is known as the cell sap. This cell sap containing proteins, amino acids, minerals and metabolic wastes. These vacuoles to help in the store of the food. Next is the ribosomes. Ribosomes, these are also known as the protein factories of the cell. Ribosomes help in the protein formation, means the protein mainly formed inside the ribosome, and these are the small dot-like structures. Ribosomes attached to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, and these are the main sites of protein synthesis. Now cell membrane we will study in the next video, and structure of nucleus we will study in the next video. If it is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.